It's food o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. The griddle is out. That means it's time for another burger review. Today's burger I picked up from Morrisons is part of their new summer barbecue range of 2021. This is a FireCracker quarter pounder, so right up my street. We got the bread rolls in. There they are. The bread rolls are in. Let's first of all get this. There we are. I'm heating up the griddle. So let's take a look at these burgers. Whenever you're talking, whoa, hang on a minute. I might have to have two. I might have to have a half pounder. Right, I'm going to get a knife in between these. Open them up. Let the griddle warm up. We'll do some cooking and we'll get into the burger. Right, I think we're ready. It feels warm enough. Let's get this burger on. Oh yeah, look at that. Here we go then. Got our bread roll. We're going to get a bit of butter in there. Some of you asked the question, why butter the roll? I think it's just, for me, it's a thing I like to do. Oh, it's already kind of like making lovely sounding noises. Whoa. Look at that. Okay, so we're going to carry on cooking this burger now. Come back to us when it's ready. Okay, so whoa, there's a look at the burger. Of course, a load of smoke in the kitchen. Real smoke this time, not smoke on the bottle opening. Right, here's a look at this FireCracker burger then. I've given it the time that it allotted for, that it asked for. It was 15 to 20 minutes, or no, 15 to 16 minutes on the griddle. If I went less than that, it was a frozen burger. I don't want to go, food poisoning myself. So I've gone with the allotted time, so hence it's a little bit dark brown around the edges. So all I have here in the roll is butter. Some people say, why don't you put your lettuce in there, your cucumber, your onions, everything else. This is a review of a FireCracker burger from Morrisons. If I start adding all sorts of different things and sauces and stuff to this burger, I don't think I'm going to truly get the real spice of this burger. So it's hence the reason why it's plain. Usually I do put loads of different things in my burger. So here we go. I want it spicy. I like the sound of them, so FireCracker for me should have a real big spice to it. So far, very tasty. I fancied the burger today. I did. So there's a look at it. Price of the burgers was about £2.50, and after a couple of bites, I can happily report that there's a nice build-up of spice here. If you were short of time, and you just quickly wanted to get this burger on the griddle, you had to do other things whilst it was cooking. So, you know, basically you haven't got time to cut up cucumber and lettuce and onions and loads of sauces, getting them all out the fridge. You could eat this on its own without any garnishes, relishes, anything in this burger. You could just go plain like this because it is rather tasty. I like the spices, I like the chilli. It's kind of catching me on the back of the throat. There is some chilli. Lots of people are going to be barbecuing over the summer. If you're into your spicy foods, as a lot of people are these days, these FireCracker burgers could be for you. They're nice. It's not an overly done spice either. It's not challenging me too much. It's not making me, you know. They are warm. They are warm. They really are. They are really tasty. And I'm happy that in this household, I'm the only one that eats spicy food. I mean spicy like this spicy. We'll have a curry. We'll do mild stuff for the family. So I can happily, I know I got 3 burgers in the freezer now for the whole of the summer. Well, it won't take the whole summer to eat them, but when we have a barbecue, I can crack one of them out, enjoy it, eat it to my heart's content, because I like spice. And my kids don't. My wife don't. A nice warming spice. A lovely warming spice that catches you on the back of the throat. The beef is of a really good quality. I've not had any kind of gristly bits or any bits of fat so far. It's got a nice crispy texture to it because I've cooked it to within an inch of its life. And I'm ready to rate it. That is really good. Morrisons FireCracker burgers. If you're a fan of spicy things, then they have got a real good kick to them. In fact, I think I got the old top lip sweating a bit. Yeah, they're quite spicy. Rating, for the price, for the taste, I'm happy. I'm really happy with them. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 from Real Ale Craft Beer. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom. Cheers.